coffee with the Mighty Miracle Man time. You know, life's hard. You still gotta get up and get stuff done. You can build yourself up, go to the gym, get in shape, change your diet. It all compounds and you can become the best possible version of yourself. Strive to do that. That way you can live longer, feel better, and add life to your years. You've made it this far. I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And there's another one coming up. And if you would be so kind as to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video or go live, and be much appreciated. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.